Do you ever wonder what separates successful people from the rest of us? Is it talent? Intelligence? Luck? While all of these factors certainly play a role, there's something even more powerful that sets successful people apart, and that's belief. Belief in oneself, in one's abilities, and in one's goals. The belief that you can overcome obstacles and become the person you want to be. In this video, we'll explore the power of belief through the lens of some of the most famous anime characters of all time. Skill number 1. Determination. Naruto Uzumaki is a prime example of the power of determination. Despite being the village outcast and constantly belittled by his peers, Naruto never gave up on his dream of becoming Hokage. He believed in himself and his abilities, and he was willing to work tirelessly to make his dream a reality. Skill number 2. Persistence. Izuku Midoriya faced similar challenges in his quest to become a hero. Born without a quirk, he was told repeatedly that he could never achieve his dream. But Izuku refused to give up. He believed that with hard work and dedication, he could overcome any obstacle, and he proved himself right. Skill number 3. Resilience. Monkey D. Luffy is another character who exemplifies the power of belief. His unwavering confidence in himself and his crew allows him to face seemingly impossible odds and emerge victorious, time and time again. Luffy knows that if he believes in himself and his dreams, nothing can stop him. Skill number 4. Problem solving. Even in the darkest of times, belief can be the difference between success and failure. The soldiers in Attack on Titan face impossible odds every day, but their unwavering belief in their cause and their comrades gives them the strength to keep fighting. They're able to think critically and creatively to find solutions to the most difficult problems. Skill number 5. Adaptability. Goku from Dragon Ball Super is perhaps the ultimate example of the power of belief. His unshakable faith in himself and his abilities has allowed him to achieve incredible feats, from defeating powerful enemies to mastering new forms of power. Goku knows that if he believes in himself, he can accomplish anything, but he's also willing to adapt and change his approach when necessary. Skill number 6. Teamwork. Even the strongest individual can't achieve greatness alone. Naruto and his friends understand the power of teamwork, and they're willing to put their faith in each other in order to achieve their goals. Together, they're able to accomplish things that would be impossible for any one of them alone. Skill number 7. Courage. Courage is the ability to face fear and take action despite it. In One Piece, the main character Monkey D. Luffy and his crew face many dangers and challenges on their quest to become the Pirate King. Luffy is a prime example of courage, as he fearlessly fights against powerful enemies and takes on risky missions. One of the most memorable moments of courage in the anime is when Luffy declares war against the world government to rescue his brother Ace. Despite facing overwhelming odds, Luffy charges forward with determination and bravery. Skill number 8. Creativity. Creativity is the ability to think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions to problems. In My Hero Academia, the characters use their unique quirks and abilities to overcome challenges and achieve their goals. The character Shoto Todoroki is a prime example of creativity, as he combines his ice and fire powers to create a new technique that surprises his opponents. Another example is when the character Izuku Midoriya uses his knowledge of heroes to come up with a plan to save his classmates from a dangerous situation. Skill number 9. Patience. Patience is the ability to persevere through difficult situations without losing one's temper or motivation. In Naruto Shippuden, the characters face many setbacks and obstacles on their journey to becoming strong ninjas. The character Shikamaru Nara is a prime example of patience, as he remains calm and collected in high-pressure situations and takes the time to analyze the situation before making a move. Another example is when Naruto himself shows patience in training and developing his skills, even when progress is slow. Skill number 10. Self-discipline. Self-discipline is the ability to control one's thoughts, emotions, and actions in order to achieve a goal. In Fullmetal Alchemist Brotherhood, the characters face many moral dilemmas and temptations that test their self-discipline. The character Edward Elric is a prime example of self-discipline, as he is able to resist the temptation to use alchemy for personal gain and instead uses it to help others. Another example is when the character Roy Mustang disciplines himself to improve his fire-based alchemy. Skill number 11. Vision. Vision is the ability to see beyond the present moment and imagine a better future. In Attack on Titan, the characters fight against Titans and the corrupt government that controls them. The character Erwin Smith is a prime example of vision, as he has a clear goal to overthrow the corrupt government and is willing to sacrifice himself and others to achieve it. Another example is when the character Armin Arlert has a vision for a world without Titans and uses his knowledge and strategic thinking to work towards that goal. These are just a few examples of the many skills that can lead to success. By watching these anime and learning from their characters, we can develop these skills within ourselves and achieve our own goals and dreams. Remember, the power of belief is a strong force that can lead us to accomplish great things. Don't forget to subscribe to Motivation to Success for more educational and motivational content that will help you achieve your dreams. Also, make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the topic. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.